Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove audio background noise in DaVinci Resolve 19. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your project and switching to the Fairlight page. This is DaVinci Resolve's dedicated audio workspace. Locate the audio track that contains your voice recording. In the mixer panel, find the channel associated with that track. After that, click the plus icon next to the effects section. From the available categories, select Restoration and then choose Noise Reduction. This will add the noise reduction effect to the audio channel. After applying the effect, enable the Auto Speech Mode option. Once the effect is enabled, play back your recording and listen to the results. You should notice a reduction in unwanted background sounds while keeping the voice clear and understandable. If needed, continue previewing the audio and make small adjustments until you're satisfied with the sound quality. And that's it! So that's basically how you can remove audio background noise in DaVinci Resolve 19. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.